Hello guys and welcome to first video of our channel. Here I will tell you how you can download Python on Windows 10. For those of you guys who don't know what is Python, it is one of the high level programming languages mostly used nowadays. So for that I will open Chrome and here I will write Python. Here it is written python.org, so we will click this link and Python main page will be opened. At the top of the page, here is the downloads. I will select Windows as I am using Windows. You can select anyone you want. There are two versions of Python, Python 2 and Python 3. I will select Python 3. At the bottom of the page, here are several options for Windows 32-bit and Windows 64-bit. But firstly, we have to find out what operating system do we have. So for that, we will open Libraries. Go to Libraries and this PC, open the properties from here. As you guys can see, my operating system is 64-bit. So I will select 64-bit. And now we will go back to the download page and here 64-bit executable installer. I will download this Windows 64-bit executable downloader. As you guys can see, the downloading has been completed. Let's open it. After opening it, there are two options: install now and customize installation. I will select install now. But before install now, there is one thing to tell. You have to check this box, add Python 3.8 to path. This is very important. So let's check it and now click install now. And now we will wait for its installation. Is about to complete, and yes, setup was successful. As you guys can see, it has been installed successfully. Close it and now we will search for Python and let's run it. Here I will type print hello world. So let's type here print parenthesis hello world, parenthesis closed, and when I'm gonna press enter, it should be running. And yes, as you guys can see, it is running. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching.